Hello everyone, welcome back to Sterilize My Life, and if you're new, welcome, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you all hit the subscribe button below, and you may want to click the bell button, that way you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So there's this question that I have been getting a lot across all social media platforms, whether it be on Facebook, Instagram, or here on YouTube. Everyone wants to know, what is the salary for a sterile processing technician? Or I should say, what is the starting rate for a sterile processing technician? Unfortunately, there is no one correct answer to this question. It depends on your location and the facility that you decide to work at. So for example, I started my career off in Philadelphia. I started out at a small facility where their starting rate was $15 an hour. I later got employed at a larger facility and their starting rate was about $24 to $25 an hour. As I was doing research for you guys, I found out that in Louisiana, there's one facility that starts you off at $8 an hour and another facility that starts you off with $15 an hour. That goes to show that one pay rate does not define an entire sterile processing community. One way to find an answer to this question would simply be to Google what is the starting salary for a sterile processing technician in your state and check out those results. What I did was I went to my sterile processing community on Instagram and I asked them what is the starting rate at their facility and what state are they located in. I'm going to share those results here with you guys, but first just let me say one thing. If you're only getting into this field just for the money, this is not the right career field for you. As sterile processing technicians, our role is very crucial and it could mean life or death for a patient. So if you're not passionate about helping people, then I advise that you choose a different career path. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment below, and check out my sterile processing community on Facebook and on Instagram. Until next time, bye.